Discover the future of craftsmanship with our list of 12 game-changing woodworking tools you'll wish you bought sooner in 2025. From precision-enhancing gadgets to powerful time-saving innovations, these tools are designed to elevate every project. Whether you're a hobbyist or professional, these breakthroughs will transform your workshop and redefine how you approach woodworking. Woodpeckers Iron Grip Small Parts Holder. The Woodpeckers Iron Grip Small Parts Holder is a precision-engineered solution for routing small workpieces safely and accurately. Unlike standard holders with plastic jaws and weak screws, this tool features robust aircraft-grade aluminum jaws and a heavy-duty Acme threaded stainless steel vice screw, delivering unmatched holding power. Its innovative design includes a fence guide, similar to the coping sled, allowing use beyond bearing-guided bits for cutting rabbets, dados, grooves, tenons, and half-lap joints. With an extended clamping capacity of up to 10.5 inches, it redefines what qualifies as small parts. Durable, versatile, and secure, it's an essential upgrade for every woodworking shop. RYOBI 1 Plus HP 18 volt, brushless cordless, 7 1/4 inch circular saw. The RYOBI 1 Plus HP 18 volt brushless 7 1/4 inch circular saw is engineered for maximum performance, offering 3 times faster cutting and up to 370 cuts per charge. Powered by RYOBI's advanced 1 Plus HP technology, it combines brushless motors, intelligent electronics, and high-performance lithium batteries to deliver unmatched power, runtime, and durability. Ideal for heavy-duty tasks, this saw is built to tackle tough jobs with precision and efficiency. Enhance your setup with RYOBI's wide range of accessories, including blades, bits, sandpaper, and more to complete every project. Sakerplus Thin Rip Jig Table Saw Jig Guide. The Sakerplus Thin Rip Jig Table Saw Jig Guide, $26.99, is a must-have woodworking accessory designed for precision and safety. Built from premium CNC machined anodized aluminum, it offers strength, durability, and corrosion resistance while eliminating vibration for smoother cuts. Compatible with standard T-slot tables, it works with table saws, router tables, and band saws. Its wide telescoping range, 2 inches to 8.5 inches, and dual imperial/metric scales allow accurate adjustments, while the reinforced T-bar ensures stability. Delivering laser-sharp 1/32 inch precision, it minimizes material waste and guarantees professional results. With tool-free quick adjustments, this jig saves time, making it perfect for fine woodworking and cabinetry projects. Bosch GKF18V-25PL14 18 SAM Brushless Colt Palm Router Kit. The Bosch GKF18V-25PL14 V Brushless Colt Palm Router Kit is engineered for precision, power, and portability, making it an essential tool for woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts alike. Featuring an efficient brushless motor, it delivers up to 1.39 peak horsepower, with speeds ranging from 10,000 to 30,000 RPM, ensuring smooth and powerful cuts in a variety of applications. Its compact, ergonomic design provides comfort with both high and low gripping options for better control in any position. Quick tool-free bit changes are made possible with the flip and release spindle lock lever, while dual vacuum adapters and a chip shield improve dust management. LEADALLWAY 7-in-1 Workbench Folding. The LEADALLWAY 7-in-1 Folding workbench is a versatile tool designed for multiple tasks, including use as a workbench, sawhorse, scaffold, platform, car creeper, dolly, and hand truck. With a load capacity of 550 pounds in scaffold and platform mode and 330 pounds in other modes, it delivers strong performance for professional and DIY needs. Its ultra-stable triangular design, supported by heavy-duty aluminum legs and a steel frame, ensures reliability. The adjustable height ranges from 20.47 to 30.7 inches for flexibility. Easy to fold, store, and carry. This multi-purpose bench arrives pre-assembled for quick setup and convenient use anywhere. T-shaped Carpenter layout scriber with fine tuning. The T-shaped Carpenter layout scriber with fine tuning is a versatile woodworking tool designed for precision and ease of use. Built with durable aluminum alloy and finished with anodizing for long-term resilience, it features laser-engraved metric and imperial scales for accurate readings. Its sliding T-shaped head supports both internal and external measurements, while a fine-tuning brass screw ensures exact adjustments. With smooth sliding action, ergonomic design, and lightweight portability, it's ideal for in-shop or on-site projects. Perfect for marking, measuring, and slotting. This tool combines multiple functions into one, making it an essential companion for carpenters and DIY enthusiasts alike. Makita 40V Max X GT brushless, cordless, 6-inch random orbit sander. The Makita 40V Max X GT brushless, cordless, 6-inch random orbit sander GOB01 delivers powerful cordless performance for high-demand applications. With up to 40% more power than pneumatic sanders, it offers variable speeds from 6,000 to 10,000 OPM and a 3/16-inch orbit diameter for smooth, swirl-free finishes. Its ultra-low profile and ergonomic design reduce operator fatigue with 41% less vibration. The through-the-pad dust collection system and AWS Bluetooth compatibility ensure a cleaner, more efficient workspace. Powered by the advanced 40V X GT system, this sander combines brushless motor technology, intelligent digital communication, and rugged durability to outperform and outlast traditional sanding tools. G-Sharp Edge Chisel Sharpener. The G-Sharp Edge Chisel Sharpener is a versatile, portable, and safe sharpening system designed for chisels and plane blades ranging from 3mm to 86mm wide. Built from durable ABS and acetyl plastic, it offers adjustable angles from 23 degrees to 90 degrees for precision sharpening. Its replaceable diamond hones, held securely by magnets, enable a progressive sharpening process from coarse to extra fine. A backing off tool ensures flatness and burr removal, while the blade spacer provides secure positioning. With a static blade design for safer use, this sharpener delivers consistent razor-sharp edges every time, ideal for woodworkers seeking accuracy, efficiency, and long-lasting results. WEN 15 Amp 13-inch Spiral Benchtop Thickness Planer. The WEN 15 Amp 13-inch Spiral Benchtop Thickness Planer delivers professional-grade precision for woodworking projects. Equipped with a spiral cutter head featuring 26 staggered and rotatable HSS blades, it ensures a smooth and consistent finish with every pass. The powerful 15-amp motor produces 10,000 RPM, feeding boards at a rate of 26 feet per minute for efficient material removal. An onboard material removal gauge helps users monitor cutting depth for greater accuracy and control. capable of planing boards up to 6 inches thick and 13 inches wide. This compact yet robust planer is perfect for hobbyists and professionals seeking reliable performance. Company Japanese Flush Cut Saw. The Temple Tool Company. Japanese flush cut saw is a precision woodworking tool designed for clean, flush trimming tasks. Featuring a 150mm double-edged pull blade crafted from premium Japanese steel, it delivers exceptional sharpness and durability. Its thin, narrow curved blade with non-set teeth ensures smooth, flat cuts without scratching surfaces. One side offers finer teeth for delicate softwoods, while the other provides coarser teeth for harder woods and more aggressive cuts. The saw's handcrafted beech wood handle, accented with brass fittings, offers comfort and balance. Ideal for trimming dowels, pegs, and joinery, this pull saw combines efficiency, precision, and lasting performance. Swanson Speed Square Pro 7. The Swanson Speed Square Pro 7 is the biggest upgrade to the iconic Speed Square in nearly a century, bringing unmatched precision and convenience to every project. With a 2 times longer scribe bar featuring 1/8 inch increments, beveled edges for tighter top cut measurements, and an easy to see marking system, this tool sets a new standard for layout accuracy. Its 1.5 inch edge perfectly matches 2x material, allowing you to mark both sides of studs with ease. Additional features like the 22.5-degree angle, 5-inch diamond callout for 2x6 work, and dual marking edges make it a versatile must-have. Proudly made in the USA. Hardell Digital Angle Finder. The Hardell Digital Angle Finder is a high-precision tool designed for woodworking, construction, and DIY projects. With 0.1 degree resolution and plus or minus 0.1 degree accuracy at 0 degrees per 90 degrees. It delivers reliable performance even after a 1 meter drop, while the built-in temperature sensor ensures stability across minus 10 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius. Its V-groove magnetic base securely attaches to ferrous surfaces for hands-free use, and dual-axis measurement allows for simultaneous angle checks on 2 planes. The durable aluminum alloy body, backlit auto-rotating LCD display, and convenient hold function make it easy to operate in any environment, perfect for professionals and hobbyists seeking precision and durability